In this video, I'll show you what each fluid is in the engine bay of a BMW F22, and also where to find the positive and negative terminals for jump starting. Let's start with the windshield washer fluid. The washer fluid reservoir is located in the corner, usually with a blue cap. Next, jump start terminals. Under this red cover, you will find the positive plus terminal. And here you can see the negative terminal, which looks like a metal stud/bolt. These points are used for connecting jumper cables if the battery is dead. Now, engine oil. Here is the engine oil filler cap. This engine does not have a traditional dipstick. The oil level is checked electronically through the dashboard inside the car. Now, coolant reservoirs. This vehicle has two expansion tanks. The larger one is for the main engine cooling circuit. The smaller one is for the additional low-temperature cooling circuit, depending on equipment, for example, the intercooler or other coolers. Both systems use the same type of coolant. There is no power steering fluid reservoir, because this BMW has electric power steering. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.